Valley is a large-scale, eco-friendly mixed-use development located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, here in Philippines. It was developed by Ayala Land, one of the country's leading real estate developers with the vision of creating a self-sustaining eco-city that balances urban living with nature. Gracela Estates, Nuvali. This beautiful house features 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath, giving your family the space everyone needs, whether for your everyday living, work from home setups, or hosting guests comfortably. Smart, sustainable, and strategic, Nuvali is not just a place to live, it's where your future grows. So for more inquiries or site visit, just message me. I am Arvin Medina, your property investment specialist from Ayala Land.